Hello everyone, I am Hiba Hassan from GFX Academy. Today we will continue together with the timeline, but first, some of you asked how to edit the interface or the workspace in order to customize your workspace. I'm sorry, I had to talk about that before, but I really forgot about that. Anyway, you can change your interface freely using the workspace as we did before in Nuke X. Very simple. You can change the look of your interface, where is the viewer, where is your timeline, and everything using the custom workspace that's ready for you. And you can also custom another one and save it for yourself. Let's have a look at the different workspace that's ready for you. We have here conforming. When we use it for conforming, for those who don't know it, means that when you are working with certain videos in any place or company or a film, and you're just sharing your work on a network in order for to have a free space for your videos. So you are here conforming or relinking your videos, your scripts, your everything using your conforming here. Okay, and we will know about that later. We have also the editing interface. We have here two viewers in order to understand more about editing, how to review yourself while editing a certain video. Also reviewing. When you are reviewing your editing or your job, your VFX work and the original video, in order to understand the difference, to know how many steps did you finish, how are you right or not, or your team is right or not. You have also the timeline, that's caring about a timeline, as you see. And of course the viewer has the main spot. We have also the finishing, and that's the default workspace that we are working from the start. We have also compositing. Let's go from Nuke Studio into Nuke X. Okay, so let's go back to finishing. You can also change the interface as I said, and then save it with your name or any nickname with certain shortcuts as you like, as we always do whenever we work in any program. Let me make it a little bit smaller in order to see. Okay, so now let's start and have a look at our timeline. At our timeline here, I have a certain shortcuts or short tools that we can use in order to edit your video, audio, or anything that you have here. Every tool of these tools, when you are just tapping at every tool, you have here a description of every one that tells you what every tool of these do. But you can just use them without selecting everyone, by just select your layer and come and move your cursor around your layer. So when you have here that sign, the plus sign, you can move your layer like that. See? So I can move it while it is selected and have that sign. You can control every layer. For example, I don't want my audio here, audio 1, audio 2, I don't want them. I just need to delete these layers, and I can put any sound effect differently from this. So how to control these layers? Very simple, just select them. So come here and select the layer and delete. Select the other layer and delete. So now you can select and do whatever you want. For example, after you finish editing this layer, if you finished, you can save this layer from being edited by a wrong way, accidentally, in order not to ruin what you did before at your layer. So how to save your edited layer from being ruined or from being corrupted accidentally? Very simple. Just click on that lock. If you notice here, you have here like a watermark on your layer. That watermark tells you that you can't edit this layer anymore because it's saved. See, I can't do anything. So I can here come to unlock the layer in order to do whatever I want on this layer. See, now let's come take this layer like here, or let's take it like that. Okay, I need here space in order to add other video. Very simple. Just zoom out using my scroll bar, okay, in my mouse, and then drag this layer here. Or you can use that one in order to zoom in and out, like you see. So now I have here a space. Let's take, for example, any video. Let's take this. Oh, okay, no problem. Let's take another one. Let's take that. Okay, I have here this layer as escaped from something, and then I need to this layer to come here. Okay, now I also don't want this audio and that audio. The first edit that I want to do here, just to cut let's start at the point. For example, I want these frames here, okay, to start my clip from that frame. In order to trim your video at a certain point, very simple, just come at the edge of your video and you have that link, that cursor. See, when you click and drag, you have a preview of your new frame, and that's very nice, very cool, because you have already have a look at where exactly the frame will be when I'm stopping at a certain point. So when I'm stopping here, it will be like that. Terrific. So let's come here. When he's out of our frame, and just stop here. So I want to trim that also like that. Come here. So I have here my video. Nice, very nice. About the camera, I don't care about that because I will ask my VFX artist in my team to remove that camera. It's not a problem. So I have here that clip and then go to that one. So now I finished this. Come here. Let's have a look at this video. Let's start. Let's zoom in. Okay, so let's start from here. So I will select my video after selecting the frame and just drag it in a certain frame. So as you see, very simple. Just click and drag. take. So now, very simple. Let's take them both and just come here. Nice, very nice. Now I know how to trim my video. What if I want to just take from this video here? Just make it a little bit quicker. How? When you're selecting a video and just come up to your video, you will find a different look of your cursor. Let's see what will happen here using that cursor. See, we'll just come here. It will trim the new video, see? It will trim it and take another frame of that video. So you can trim that video, but it will not affect the second one. So it will affect the other one. It's like trimming the video. So you can stop here, for example, if you want. Like that, see? As if I did a trimming to my video. Make it a little bit quicker. Also, you can use here, you can change the frames of that video or any video. When you click at a video and just come down, not up but down, you will see here like a ruler that have a number of your frames. When you drag that ruler, you have here certain frames. See, I can change the frames, the look of my frames, where to start, where to end, to make it a little bit slower or quicker. So I can change the look of my frames using that slider. So I have here a slider up and a slider down. The down slider here, the lower slider, I mean, just change your frames. The other slider, change or trimming the first or the previous video. So I can use these shortcuts in order to edit my video as I want. Very nice. Now I know here how to edit my video, how to trim, move, and also how to move my frames, just make it quicker or slower as if I want. The next time we will understand more about soft effects. What's soft effects? How to apply these soft effects on my clips, and what kind of soft effects can I use in my project.